Hello friends, welcome in another episode of Innovative Ideas. In today's video, I want to show you how to make your pen drive bootable with the latest method, and with this bootable pen drive you can install any of your operating system, whether it may be Windows XP 7, 8.1 or 10 or Linux, Ubuntu, whatever you want to install, whether it may be of 32-bit or 64-bit. You can make a hub of your all operating system that will be installable and that will be bootable. So friends, stay continue with this video. I am gonna show you the latest method to make your pen drive bootable with any kind of operating system. So friends, first of all you have to search easy to boot. EASY 2 is numeric and BOOT. And if you search this easy to boot, then you will find this downloads easy to boot. Click on this and you will get to the next. Scroll down and you will get here this easy to boot dpms.exe. You have to download this version. Click on this and you will be forwarded to next tab, and scroll down and you have to download this easy to boot 10 or 10.exe installer. You have to click on this and it will start downloading. So friends, as you are seeing that I have inserted 32 GB of pen drive here, and I have downloaded the software that is easy to boot. Now I am installing it and running as an administrator. Click on it. So friends, here you are seeing the interface of this software make E2B, that is easy to boot version 2.01, and I am selecting the language English. You can select according to your desire. And here the pen drive of 32 gigabytes of memory is shown here, and just click on make E2B drive. Okay, it's asking something that I say user Samsung desktop easy to boot ISO doc make USB drive make. There's a destination and I'm clicking on OK, and now it will complete the process necessary to make the pen drive bootable. And in this bootable pen drive you can paste any of your operating system. So it's asking once again that pen drive about erasing all the data, means it wants to format, so you have to click on OK, and rest of the process is being done in short span of time. Please wait for a while. It will take hardly 45 seconds to 1 minute, and it will complete the process. And then after, in folder wise, you can paste your operating systems like Windows in one folder, Linux in one folder. That doesn't mean whether the operating system is of 32-bit or 64-bit. And if you run this software in Windows 10 and you make your pen drive bootable, then it will done one more thing. You will get that whether the laptop is UEFI bootable or legacy bootable, both this is compatible for both booting system. So now the screen is green and all the task has been completed. Here we are getting press enter to continue. I am pressing enter, and after that you can click on exit. Now go to my computer, and here you are seeing that the logo of the pen drive has been changed, that is to boot. And after exploring it, here you are seeing ISO_ISO folder, and inside this ISO folder you are seeing that Win, Linux, antivirus, auto backup, these are the folders. So you do one thing, if you want to make it bootable, the Windows pen drive, means if you want to boot only Windows operating system, then you have to paste all of your operating system in Win folder, whether it may be Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows XP. I am having some ISO, that is Windows 10 all editions, and Windows 7, Windows 10 Pro. I am copying all these three operating systems in Win folder. It will take some time, have patience. And one more thing, I am copying this Linux version, Kali Linux, Ubuntu, these two operating system more just for the demonstration in Linux folder. So friends, you have just seen that I have copied three operating systems. One is Windows 10, Windows 7, and another is Windows 10 just for the demonstration. That is 64-bit and 32-bit also. And in Win folder I have done this, and in Ubuntu and Linux I have copied in Linux folder, that is Kali Linux and Ubuntu. Now that's it, your pen drive is ready to boot. Now you have to just install. You can, if you want to try, then you can install it in any laptop or system. So I am ejecting it and I am showing the demonstration that how you can install from this pen drive. I am powering on HP laptop and pressing F9 for boot menu, and I will select this SanDisk. Here the menu comes, easy to boot, and after some processes, after some time, you may see the proper boot menu from the pen drive. First is DOS menu, second is Linux menu. In Linux I have copied two operating system of Linux, that is Ubuntu and Kali Linux. This is Kali Linux and Ubuntu, and I am going back to the main menu, and in Windows boot menu I have copied three operating systems, and here these comes Windows 10, Windows 10 Pro and Windows 7. So you can boot your system with the help of this. You have to do nothing. Here Windows 10 startup menu has been started. So friends, in this manner you can make it bootable. So friends, this was all about USB pen drive, which is a hub of your installable operating system. That may be XP, Linux, Windows 7, 8 or 10, or whatever you want to operate or install your operating system. So you can easily copy in this pen drive, and this is the hub for your all operating systems. So friends, that's all for today's video. Hope you would like this video. If you like this video, then please click on like button and please share to your dear and near ones. Meeting in my next video. Thanks for watching. Keep innovating. To subscribe innovative ideas, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon.